my pork steak. Pork and peppers, I call it now. Make it as natural as possible. I'm not using anything artificial. You can see. Let's chop the onions a little bit big, not too small. And the same I do with the peppers. So I cut it in half. Then I seed it, so I don't waste much of the pepper. I think that's going to be enough. In the meantime, my pan is getting hot, and I'm going to put a little bit of blended oil in there, so it really gets hot and nice, which is almost done. As you can see, I'm going to drop in there the onions. One thing that I love is onions, so let's put some more onions in there. Also, it's very nice to add a little bit of garlic, which I always have it in jars, of course. So I put just a little bit of garlic in there, chopped garlic. That's it. Put it away. Nice. Take it out for flavor. I want a little bit of the, I'm going to show you, I want a little bit of the charcoal, a nice really touch to everything, you know. I have my 4 bites that I call it. I add it to it. You see I have some potatoes up here cut already. So I'm going to add it and see how it comes out. I'll see you in a minute. All right, great. So let's keep going. I'm going to add the potatoes now. In that wonderful mix, I just put the potatoes in the oven a little bit so they're not cold and they don't cool down everything, and everything comes out pretty much, you know, even. So we call it 4 bites with peppers and onions and red leaf potatoes, you know. Look at how cool that comes out. It really honestly comes out so cool. You see, think about, you can do this at home. It's very easy to make it, honestly. You know, this would be one meal. You do this with a salad and some vegetable, and that's enough, you know. So you can try it. Remember, you can use any pork, the pork first. You just cut it in little pieces, put a little seasoning in there, and then after you put the seasoning, you just put it in the oven. And I just check it out a little bit of my seasoning because I add potatoes. I add a little bit more of salt. Remember, the salt, always put it from the top. Don't put it close to the meat because it's not going to work out. All right, very good. So let me pack this because this is ready. So I did one. It comes out cool, very nice. So we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do 3 containers of fish. We're doing 15 people for now. If there's any hospital that need any help, please, you have to call us. You can see us in there. Chef Corners at our website. You're going to see a little spot where you see Chef Corner. I'm going to have different food that you can prepare now at home when you are with the kids, so we can have some fun, you know. Tomorrow maybe we do some arroz con pollo. It's a different way to do it, where we do some fried chicken. We'll see whatever we have, you know. We don't have to go specific and do chopping. We just can check it out what we have at home. But tell me this doesn't look very nice, you know.